Today, we're exploring the exciting field of interior design and how a personalized mood board can be your first step to achieving the space of your dreams. With Oraanj Interior Design, we can offer comprehensive interior design services for residential, commercial, and hospitality projects. They create stylish, functional, and beautiful spaces tailored to meet specific requirements. Their portfolio showcases a range of projects, including modern and contemporary living room designs for residential spaces, as well as elegant and practical workspaces for commercial clients. They also specialize in creating stylish and functional spaces for the hospitality industry, from small cafes to restaurants, to elevate the dining experience. Oraanj Interior Design works closely with clients to understand their needs and vision, delivering spaces that reflect their unique style and budget. Their portfolio demonstrates their commitment to creating beautiful and functional interior designs with a focus on creativity, skill, and attention to detail. Whether it's a home, office, or restaurant, Oraanj Interior Design has the experience and expertise to transform any space into a stylish and functional environment.